Okay, so this is going to be a video about the law of attraction, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what I feel the law of attraction is based on what I've read online and in some books. And then I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some books that you might want to pick up, like one or two books, and that's what we'll be talking about in this video. Okay, so to get into it, the law of attraction has to do with your thoughts, your words, um, supposedly being attracted to you. But it's a science. There's other things related to it. So, quantum physics and signals. Okay, so how your body works is there's chemicals, which are hormones. Okay, that's not exactly related yet, but hang in there with me. Okay, so there are electrical signals that go from your brain and they signal to your body, such as, wanting to move your arm, right? Okay, so with electrical signals, your brain has electrical signals that basically shoot through the body. And you can look that up in medical stuff. That's what I've read. So that's one thing, okay? So if your brain can have electrical signals, if you think about radios and stuff like that, they have signals. So when you think of something, sometimes when you're thinking about somebody, they can feel your thoughts. So if you're thinking good about them, then maybe they'll feel good, especially if they're somebody who you know. But if it's somebody you don't really know and you're thinking about them, say you're walking behind them, and if you were to think something negative, you shouldn't do that. Okay, try not to, I guess. But anyways, people can feel your thoughts, supposedly, all right? Some people may not believe in this stuff. It's okay. You can believe in anything you want to, essentially, you know. But I'm trying to get into, so the law of attraction, supposedly, you say if you have a goal or a desire, a want of something, and you might need other people that maybe you don't already know. You need them to help you with the thing that you're trying to do, your goal. And then supposedly you can attract them into your life. So it's like when you think about that, that sounds kind of different, right? It's like not somebody you know or people that you know and they're going to be attracted. How does that? Okay, so maybe that has a little to do with people being able to feel signals or whatever. Some people would say it's like an energy. It's like energy fields, okay? So in different energy fields, like there's radio or there's like Wi-Fi or whatever. And so people can pick up like, like energies or like people, right? So if your thoughts are similar to somebody else, they might be able to feel that and feel in tune with you, similar to you. It might be somebody you don't really know. So supposedly they might be more inclined to talk to you. You might feel more natural to talk to them, and vice versa. So anyways, that is both law of attraction, and there's a different, it's almost like physics laws. So the law of vibration is related or could be like connected to the law of attraction. So the law of vibration is kind of similar to those energy fields and whatnot. And so, so you need to be careful what you think. And if you think more positively about yourself and others can kind of feel your thoughts, right? And then if you're thinking positively about yourself, physiologically that means your body, like cells, supposedly can feel the way you're thinking about yourself. So a book that I'd recommend that has to do with health and law of attraction it's called Health, Wealth, and Happiness. The Law of Attraction of Health, Wealth, and Happiness by Abraham Hicks. And I read that book, so I don't have that in front of me. I looked for it, but I've been reading a lot of books lately. That one I read like 2 years ago. So that one basically, in the health aspect at least, it talks about you know, if you're not that healthy, try to focus on how you're grateful for yourself being healthy, or anything. Like, you have 2 legs, you can walk, you're able to talk, you're able to, and whatever you're able to, right? So it's about thinking happy about whatever it is you have to be happy for. It's kind of like with the law of attraction, you can like basically be grateful for the things that you have and the things that you will have, supposedly. So you keep in mind what it is you're working towards, but you're also trying to be happy and thankful for what you have at that time. So another book that I have it's called The Power, and it's by Rhonda Bryan. It's The Secret, The Power, and this is second book after that other book, which is mostly known by like so many people, The Secret. Well, this is like another book by the same author, I'm pretty sure. This one I haven't read through, but basically it has to do with your thoughts. Your thoughts, and it says like negative thoughts and feelings can be, you can draw things to you. So you don't want to think negative thoughts and feelings pretty much, because and you don't want to be drawing that sort of stuff to you. So if you think positively and you try to feel positively, then you can draw that to you. So with the law of attraction, say you know what you want, you should visualize that thing that you want. Be positive when you think and you talk about it as much as possible. And when you hear somebody say something negative about that, think something positive about how it will happen, basically, the positive thing that you were wanting. So, so you know what you want. Then the other part is there's I think it's law of vibration, or it could be law of attraction still, but you basically, you do stuff that makes you feel happy as much as possible, and then supposedly you're vibrating higher, like frequency, and you're more likely to draw that thing or people or whatever it is to you. So that's pretty much what I would say from what I know about what the law of attraction is, from how I see it. If you have anything to add, or you want to clarify it, go ahead and leave a comment. But otherwise, that's all I have to say for now. And yeah, have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.